Hi, this video is the demonstration of the FUT or strip linear scar hair transplant and the donor scar, and I try to provide as much example as I can. Some scar can stretch bigger. This is a 1-year follow-up, and I perform both FUE and FUT, and again I have to repeat, the FUE and FUT produce scar, but the scar looks different. The FUT or the strip scar will leave you a linear scar like this one. This is an example of the FUT or strip scar. The FUE leave you tiny dots of scar scattered throughout the back like a mosaic pattern and allow you to wear your hair shorter. It's harder to see. Again, both FUE and FUT produce scar. There's always pro and con for both FUE and FUT. The pro of FUT are cheaper. You can move bigger case per day, 4,000 or 5,000 grafts per day, or 6,000, and the growth rate is 5 to 10% better than FUE. The downside of FUT are more invasive, more bleeding, more chance of infection, high risk, the healing is 2-3 days longer, but it leave you a linear scar, and you cannot wear your hair short. Again, the FUE, there's pro and con. The pro of FUE are it leave you tiny dots of scar, allow you to shave your head shorter, less invasive than FUT, less bleeding, less chance of infection, and less painful. The downside of FUE are the cost more expensive. The number of grafts we can do is less, 25 to 3,000, and the growth rate, they're both good. FUE and FUT, you still have good density, but the FUE is 5 to 10% less.